and welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm Kristen, and today I'm showing you guys some really easy Christmas DIYs. They're under $5. I use items from thrift stores, garage sales, and the Dollar Tree. So let's jump right in and I'm going to show you guys what I made. Before I get started, I want to kindly thank Persona Nutrition for sponsoring today's video. If you guys don't know what Persona is, it is a next generation of vitamin and nutrient home delivery platform. I absolutely love that because your vitamins are sent monthly right to your door, so you don't even have to go out and pick them up. They do all the work from you. They research and do sourcing, packaging, and delivering, and then they are backed by science, and they have 10+ years of work by doctors and nutritionists behind their supplements. Their packaging is also biodegradable, and they offer 100% free nutritionist support even if you don't buy their service. They have also partnered with Vitamin Angels, so every order shipped, it provides 2 children with vitamin A. And to get started, it is easy as taking a quick assessment. It will ask you your name, your height, your weight, and it'll also ask you a few health questions just so they provide the correct supplements for you. Okay, so I just got my new box from Persona Nutrition, and I just want to show you guys what it looks like inside, and then I also have a few more days left of my other packet. So when you receive it in the mail, you receive this little how to work the dispenser, and then it shows you exactly what your vitamins are in the morning and then at bedtime as well. So if you are wanting to know exactly which are in your box and which ones they are, that shows you right here. And then it looks just like this, and then you just have to pull this out. Okay, I definitely couldn't do that with one hand. So this is what it looks like, and this is like your little box that your vitamins come in. And I'm not going to do this one yet. Like I said, it looks like this. So this one is my morning ones, and then on the back side it shows your vitamins. And it also shows your supplement facts in here as well. So I think this is really nice just because I always want to take vitamins and then I never really know which ones to choose. I absolutely love the assessment quiz that they have online for you. So they give you exactly what type of supplements that you will need. So if you guys want to check out Persona Nutrition, I will leave links in the description box below. And if you do click on it, you will receive 30% off your first 2 orders. First DIY, I'll be using these canvases. I picked up all of these from a yard sale and they were 50 cents for all of them. They gave me such a great deal. And the first thing I did was just rip all the canvases apart, and then I'm only going to be using the wood backings. They have a really nice thick wood backing, and I was super excited to find these just because I'll pick them up at the Dollar Tree and they are definitely not as thick as this. So I'm just going to be using the Waverly Wax and Antique and painting all 4 of these pieces, or these frames. Let's call them frames. And then once everything was dry, I am going to be using 4 different bags from the Dollar Tree. They have such a good selection this year, so I thought I would make a lot of cute signs with them. So I'm just going to be tracing them all out and then cutting around them and then hot gluing them to the wood frames. Christmas as a child, waking up to all those smells and sounds. Downstairs to see what might be under the Christmas tree. Oh, can I please have that back? That Christmas joy I once had as a Christmas then this is how they all turned out when I was finished. I think gives it such a great little touch to your home decor, your Christmas decor, and it was super, super inexpensive. So this cost me under $2 to make each one of these.
I once had as a boy that Christmas peace, when heart and soul were both at ease, that Christmas love. We all need more.
Next DIY, I'll just be using a tray I had in my basement. I was actually going to probably eventually sell this because I wasn't really sure what to do with it, but I decided to turn it into a little Christmas decor piece. I have a friend who sells chalk couture, and she sent me over some of these. I will leave her links in the description box too if you guys want to check it out, but this is just really fun, and if you don't have like a vinyl cutting machine, you could definitely use stencils to help you out with your home decor. This stuff is so fun. I have a video coming out with this if it hasn't already been posted, but this is so fun to use, and you can reuse these stencils over and over again because it has like a sticky back, and like I said, these are just really fun, quick, and easy to use. Alright, and then this is all you have to do is just pull it back and you have a cute little new tray. I love trash to treasure videos, and I love thrift makeovers. I have not done one of these for Christmas, so I was super excited to do it. This is what it looks like when it's dry. I did have to kind of take some of the paint off just because I'm still learning how to do this, but I think this is a cute tray. You could definitely just use it as a decor piece, stand it up. I love this one so much, and this cost me nothing to make.
I once had as a boy that Christmas peace, when heart and soul were both at ease, that Christmas love.
Wooden Christmas tree I picked up at Goodwill last year. It was $3, and I'm just going to be going back in with the Waverly Wax and Antique and painting this entire thing. So this is thick, so you can definitely just add some water if you don't want it to be as dark, and I just ended up using a paper towel and wiping away some of the stain just to give it a stain effect look. Wow, I just really said that wrong, but we're just going to keep on going with it. But yeah, all I'm going to do is painting on this Waverly Antique Wax, and then I'm just going to be wiping it away with paper towel. You definitely use something that doesn't get fuzz all over or stuck in the staples, but this ended up working out just fine for me.
We all need more.
Then I'm just going to be using some of this berry garland from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to be wrapping it around this tree, and that is it for this DIY. The last one is a favorite of mine. I am reusing a wreath. You can already tell from the hot glue on the burlap. And this piece I showed in the beginning, it was from a garage sale, and I've said this a million times, but if you are new to my channel and don't know, I picked up a huge garbage bag full of greenery and like florals, all kinds of stuff from a yard sale, like a garbage bag. they let me have it for $5 and it's amazing because I've been using it constantly. So I just cut that like greenery piece all up. I think it was some sort of swag. And then I am just gluing all the greenery to the wreath, and I don't have any order of how I do this. I just want it to look as full as possible without showing any of the burlap. And like I said, if the burlap does show through, it's really fine because it does match, but it looks super cute. And these berries also came off of that swag from the yard sale. And like I said, I got a huge garbage bag full, so this barely cost me anything, and I'm reusing a wreath form. These little snowflakes came from Joann's last year after Christmas, so I picked them up for like $1. It's probably about $1, and then I'm just gluing them all around just to give it a little bit of extra sparkle and wintry feel. I don't know what I'm talking about. All right, you guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, I would love if you consider sticking around and hitting that subscribe button. Let me know if you guys like trash treasure videos. I have not done one in a really long time, and I thought this was super fun to do for Christmas. Also, if you guys want to check out Persona Nutrition, I will leave the link in the description box below so you receive 30% off your first 2 orders. All right, that's it. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!